This is California Car Cover's third episode of our Kia Telluride protection plan. Now, I'm Tony DeFrank, and thank you for taking a minute to check out our video on how to keep your Kia Telluride, or pretty much any car, truck, SUV, or crossover, whatever you're driving, keeping it looking its best year after year. So in our past videos, we've covered car covers, floor mats, sunshades, detailing products. Now today, we're going to kind of highlight some backseat protection products. So if you have young kids, we're going to show you a couple great products to keep your interior, specifically your seats, looking their best year after year. So check out our short video and see some quick and easy ways to protect your interior from products all available at California Car Cover. First item we're showing today are some of these seat back protectors from Covercraft. Now, they are available with either the premium Carhartt branding or the SeatSaver branding. They're available in a couple different colors, but pretty much include a couple pockets on the bottom, some mesh pockets on the top. You put papers, books, a drink, markers, anything you want to do to corral any of your kids' crafts and accessories in your car. It's a great way to keep your interior neat. Plus, they're super durable, so they're great for those constant kicks to the front seat. Keep your seats nice, and they install real easy. So all you have to do is hit a few clips, take them in and out, so they're easy to remove and put into a different vehicle. We'll take out to spot clean if needed, but I'll show you just how easy they are to use right now. These Seatback Organizers are made of water-resistant materials and install easily to keep your back seat organized while protecting the back of your front seats. The organizers feature multiple pockets to organize papers, writing utensils, and drinks. The protectors are lightweight and easy to install, but rugged enough to handle daily use from your kids. The organizers install easily with straps and buckles to secure. Simply loop the upper strap around the headrest post and tighten. Then loop the lower strap around the bottom of the seat back and tighten. These are an excellent way to prevent scuffs and scratches on your vehicle's interior and keep the back seat from getting messy. Seatback organizers are machine washable, available in multiple colors, and sold individually. Next item for today are one of these Weathertech child car seat protector mats. So whether you want to protect your seats from spills, crackers, cookies, gunk from your kids, or just creasing and cracking in the seats that are caused by the car seat, these Weathertech car seat protectors, use the same technology that Weathertech mats are known for, but just in a smaller format for your seats. They can be trimmed to fit, so if you don't need all these extra coverage, we're going to go throw them into the car real quick and see how they look. Yeah, so that lays right down, so it's pretty easy to put in place. Due to the bucket seats, I will trim up this overhang just because I think it's going to get in the way of the girls getting in and out of the car and moving around. So probably just trim that off real easy, and then it's nice. This extra flap in the front, it's good to protect the back of the shoes. So we'll put this in, or actually we'll trim this up, put it in, get the car seat in there, and we'll be good to go. The Weathertech Child Car Seat Protector Mat protects your interior from spills and cracks, plus compression damage to your vehicle's leather or fabric seats. The mat is made from durable, high-density TPE material with an anti-slip finish on the top and bottom. Properly install the mat while still adhering to the installation instructions of your car seat. The mat can easily be wiped clean and used under either rear or front-facing car seats. The mat is available in multiple color options to best match your vehicle's interior. Last item for today are going to be some custom-fit seat covers for the back seats of this Kia Telluride. Now, these are some seat covers for those of you that don't have car seats, that just want to protect your seats from pets, friends, camping trips, beach trips, just daily in and out. We're going to go with some Covercraft SeatSavers. They're a heavyweight cotton canvas that'll protect your seats and look pretty good, and they're reasonably priced too. So I'm going to show you how we install those real quick and show you just how good they'll look on the back seat of this Kia Telluride. SeatSaver seat covers by Covercraft are custom fit to each vehicle application for the best fit and protection. These custom fit seat covers are available in multiple color options and easy to install. The seat covers are polycotton and machine washable when they need to be cleaned. The seat covers install easily. Remove the headrest if applicable and pull the upper seat cover piece over the backrest. Properly line any openings for buttons or headrest posts before securing the cover with the hook and loop straps. Install the base seat cover and fasten the nylon straps under the seat and securing them to the front edge of the seat bottom. Tighten the straps until the seat cover is fitting properly. Either side of the seat cover bottom could have clips on to secure it on the sides as well. slip the armrest and headrest covers into place where applicable. Hope you enjoyed the latest installment of our Kia Telluride protection plan. You can check out past videos from California Car Cover on our YouTube channel. And check back in, like every couple weeks, we get some new accessories for this Kia Telluride and outfit it and protect it the best way possible, courtesy of California Car Cover. So I hope you found the video informative and helpful, and we'll see you next time at California Car Cover and our Kia Telluride protection plan.